Right, welcome ulit to another bike vlog, guys. And this is actually our Colossi Cheeko, and we have done several things on it. And as I promised, guys, I do want to make another bike check of the things that we did to our Colossi Cheeko. Kasi actually ngayon, guys, it's already an SSCX or slash Tracklocross. So meaning fixie pa rin siya, pero meron tayong free wheel and we already have bigger tires. So parang may pagka CX kind of build na siya. And actually, ito na yung final build nito. So happy na ako sa kanya. So tingnan natin kung ano yung ginawa natin sa Colossi Cheeko and what parts we put to make it a Tracklocross or SSCX build. So first, nilagyan natin siya ng brakes, of course, the project, and very nice. I tried it for 1 month na. And also we put at the project V2 rack. So mas nagustuhan ko yung V2 kasi mas magaan siya over the V1, and also of course being a drop bar, parang hindi nakasya yung V1 dito, no? So ayun, V1 lang advantage niya, para siyang may basket. So ito V2, kailangan pang maglagay ng straps, parating pa lang yung straps natin, and yun, nagkasabit na lang ako ng mga stuff dito. And of course, another upgrade that we did to make this a Tracklocross, very important, guys, is this one. This is the Project Promo fork. So bakit natin kailangan? Kasi before, our tires hindi kasya dun sa previous natin, kaya lang 25C tires. So actually ito in the Project Promo fork, kaya niya 35. And sinabi sa akin ni Hepe sa cycling culture na kakayanin to up to 40C daw. So the new version, this is actually the new version, nakakalabas lang kaya hanggang 40C. Hindi pa natin na-try, so maybe in the future. But yeah, this is the Project Promo fork. Very nice kasi una, maganda yung itsura niya, all black in design. The project is always good in quality, and chromo siya, no? So first, kakapalit natin ng chromo. Parang gumanda yung ride natin. Before, we have carbon, but this chromo, downside lang, bumigat yung bike natin. But yeah, the project chromo fork. Of course, we still have our previous cockpit, no? Cinelli Vi for our stem, and the Cannondale C4 for our handle bar. Right, so moving on to the frame. So kung hindi nyo nakita yung vlog natin about the Colossi Cheeko, this is a size 53 frame Colossi Cheeko all white version. So sobrang gusto ko yung frame kasi straight yung top tube. So actually nung nilagay ko yung chromo fork, akala ko parang ganun maangat yung front. Hindi naman, medyo may pagka straight pa din siya, so it's not that big of an issue. So of course we do have still our Sugino pista here, and ito yung bagong upgrade natin sa pedals. So this is an XS sealed bearing pedal. So pag nakita nyo, sealed bearing siya, may pagka-gradient yung ikot niya, no? So I like this one, so I did make a vlog of this. Check out nyo na lang din sa channel kasi gusto ko, kasi kumakapit siya sa foot mo because it has that spikes, metal siya, so solid yung power transfer, and of course the sealed bearing makes you easier to pedal, right? So also we did an upgrade sa free wheel hub natin kasi yung generic free wheel hub na binili natin, it didn't work that well. So medyo may tunog siya, no? So this is the MOB free wheel hub, around 250 pesos, pero ang laki ng difference. So wala na siyang tunog ngayon, and ang ganda rin ng free wheel sound niya, no? Of course, at the other side we still have our fixed gear hub, so 17 tooth. Okay, so ito actually 16 tooth to, yung free wheel hub natin. So at the front 43, so 43-16 ngayon yung setup natin. Okay lang, sobrang okay sa akin yung ganong setup, good for commuting. So of course our wheel set, hindi natin siya pinalitan. So luckily we have a brake line in our wheel set, and okay naman yung nag-bed na siya, okay naman yung kapit nga, no? So I'm not sure what this is because again, I got this Colossi Cheeko second hand, so hindi ko alam kung ano yung part na nilagay dyan. So sa brakes, so yung brakes natin, of course the project brake set, caliber brakes, and works fine as well. Naglagay lang tayo ng Shimano brake cable, so naging malambot na siya, no? So wala naman akong issue doon. And also Labici saddle, di pa natin pinapalitan, and also coal seat post. Okay, so naglagay lang tayo ng mga additional, small accessories. We have our giant lock, and also we have our B-sole saddle bag here at the back as well. So we still have our log blinders, and we do have our Gaseron 800, and also meron tayong new AMP 800 na cat eye na mas malakas. So the key thing here, guys, kaya siya naging Tracklocross, is our tires, no? So yung tires natin, pag nakita nyo, medyo knobby yung tires niya. So the tires are 32C, pero may pagka-knobby. So saan galing to? Galing to sa Giant Any Road natin. I did like the look. Bakit ako na ganito? Kasi gusto ko unique yung itsura. And for me, una, unique yung itsura ng knobby yung tire. And also, the comfort is there. So, this is a lot more comfortable compared to my 25C tire before. So, actually, 28, 32, hindi ganun nagkakalayo. For comfort, ang ganda nung that range. Mabilis pa rin, pero comfortable. But definitely, the 32C is a lot more comfortable. And nagustuhan ko din, may pagka-knobby yung tires because it looks definitely cool. So, actually, with this kind of setup, a major advantage is comfort. So sobrang sarap niya sakyan, very comfortable kahit sa mga lubak, kasi dito sa area namin maraming lubak. It's not all, flat spaces. So in your area baka mas okay na, 25C, okay na kayo, but sa akin, sa area ko, yun, marami talagang lubak. So this works for me better, and now super comfortable ng ride. And for me, medyo commuter ko to. So these are my village bike commuter as well. And of course, training bike as well, kasi mabigat yung chain ring. So yun, ginagawa ko siya pang training kung gusto ko mag-accelerate and stuff like that. Ito yung pinag-training ko kasi na-force ako na pag mabigat na setup, no? So for that, so maraming purposes siya actually. And of course, when I buy some stuff, some errands, I use this as well, yung wrap, very useful. So ayun, and when we put the fork as well, as I mentioned, ang laki nung in-increase nung comfort natin. So definitely, yeah, still is real, mas naging malambot yung setup natin. So one major downside lang nito is ang laki ng binigat niya, no? So with the fork, with the bigger tires, with the rack, ang dami nating nilagay, ang laki ng binigat. So hindi na siya yung before. So before, kaya ko siguro mga 2 fingers lang. Sobrang gaan talaga niya. But ito medyo bumigat. Pero hindi pa rin siya sobrang bigat. Okay pa din. So madali pa rin siyang dalhin. But definitely, if weight weenie kayo, this build might not be something that you will go for. Pero ayun, sobrang nagustuhan ko yung build natin. I like the uniqueness of the build. I like the comfort in the build. Andun pa rin yung pagka-pogi. Kasi pogi talaga yung Colossi Cheeko na frame. And I like the versatility. Pwede pa rin ako mag-fixie, guys. Ayun, so yun yung fixie hub natin. And we have our free wheel as well. So pwede ko i-switch yan, and meron na akong fixie. So that versatility, and also our pedals, XS pedals, pwede ka maglagay pa rin ng foot strap dito. So that versatility is super nice, and ang ganda ng ride niya kasi again, comfortable. So sa mga lubak, dire-diretso lang tayo. Hindi tayo masyado nagsa-slow down. And the 32 is still, quite fast as well. And may natural shock na ngayon yung buong ride natin. And yeah, unique and very cool looking for me as well. So ayun, that's our check of the SSCX or Tracklocross Colossi Cheeko. Super cool. I'm not sure if there's another person who did this. Ako lang yung naglakas ng loob. So kung meron kayong mga gantong build, link nyo rin down in the comments below. Gusto ko kayo makita kung may mga nagka-Tracklocross SSCX dito. So yun, that's our check of the Colossi Cheeko SSCX Tracklocross build. If you learned something, like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. I'm still a casual biker, guys. So ayun, may lang ako mag-setup ng bike, pero casual biker pa rin tayo. So I might have missed some stuff here, but if you're into a casual biker, my biking journey, fitness journey, subscribe here in this channel, and I'm gonna see you guys in the next bike vlog. Goodbye.